Curb appeal is everything. I'm getting ready to fix this eyesore. All next on HomePro Hero. Hey, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I'm John, I'm the HomePro Hero. This channel is all about home improvements to improve the value of your property and your home. I'm changing the location of my future pole barn to over there. I have a bigger plan, not only for the pole barn location, but also for this parking lot area where I plan on adding a retaining wall. I hate this area over here with the firewood. It looks ugly, it's an eyesore. I need to fix the grade, make it look better, and make it easier to mow and maintain. Should make this entire area look a lot better. Got the laser out, rotary laser from Huepar. And I was lucky enough, Huepar sent it to me to try out. So before I get to the laser, we got two different points we have to set up here. We'll do one at a time. The first one is the slope from my ditch down here about 100 feet away to about right behind the tractor. And then the second slope is gonna be right in front of the car there, right between the two trees, all the way to my last point of my first slope. So 2 slopes, 1 laser, 1 tractor. Let's get to work. So why would you need a rotary laser? It's real simple. These are great for the outdoors. They go to like 2,000 feet away from the hub. So the old way, line level, not today. So I did the original grade on my yard, kind of just eyeballed it. This thing would have came in real handy, but they are kind of salty. But this particular model, not so much. DeWalt, Bosch, and whatever name out there, about double what this Huepar laser costs. I'll put the link in the description to this particular product. So this is the Huepar HL300. It's got 4 parts: the tripod, the laser, the grading stick, and the receiver. It's super simple. You're either gonna use it to make it level from one spot to another spot at the exact same spot, or you're gonna use it for slope. We'll use it for slope in this project. Let me show you how it works. You push on, it'll automatically self-level. Takes about 5 seconds. All that's doing is shooting a 365-degree laser all the way around my property, waiting for this receiver right here to pick it up. So now that the laser's level, let's go get our points. You kind of want to make sure the laser is out of the way of the tractor, so that's a good spot to set it. It doesn't really matter where you set it up as long as you have clear vision from one point to the other. So let's turn on the receiver. So the first thing I want to find is my high point of this slope, which is going to be right here. You want to adjust this receiver to the spot where it has a consistent beat. Like that. So the laser, the receiver are on the exact same plane. Then we walk over to the laser. There's a button called slope. Push it. I forgot there's a 5th piece, the remote control, which makes this real easy. We're going to walk to the low spot, which is about right here. So we're just going to use the remote control to bring the laser down because it's in slope mode. Bingo. So what we just did is we created a slope. We angled the laser from its point way up there to my low point way down here. Then you can see when I get back to my original point, right on the money. I need the solid sound from here all the way down to there. That will give me my slope I need. So now all I gotta do is fire up the tractor, start removing dirt, keep checking the grade until I get it perfect. Pretty simple. So right here's my starting spot. Right on the money, right? We'll go here. Pretty good there. Good. Oh yeah. We're there. Okay, we're gonna set up the laser now for the other cut. We're gonna reset the laser actually. Okay, we'll let it do its thing. Takes about 5 seconds for it to auto level. So we already know where our point is down there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna establish a point right here. Let's do about right here. Okay, there it is. So now I just have to push the slope button, go down there, get that measurement, and we're ready to grade again. Oh, I love this thing, it's so nice. Slope is on, got the remote control in my pocket. Find my benchmark down here. Okay, then we just gotta use the remote control. Bingo. We're there. Let's get on the tractor, let's get to work. It can do elevation 2 ways, but because of my trees, I wasn't able to do that. But that's all right. Okay, about 3 hours of grading. I got it. Let me check. Now, I'm not sure if you can see that angle or not, but you can see a nice steady slope from top to bottom. Right here, my next project is the parking lot. That's where I'm putting my retaining wall around that rock. So the retaining wall won't be that massive. It'll be really cool though. Good. Oh yeah. Look at that. Boom. The laser's on point. It's right on the money. Can't beat the laser. If not, that line and level would be a nightmare on this. It'll look really good when it's done. See you tomorrow. Hey, I just got off work. I got about an hour to play around, so I figured I'd knock out the irrigation. I ran to Menards, picked up 100 foot of the 1-inch poly. I already had the 2 sprinkler heads. I plan on putting one here and one here. The beauty is I have a line right there. So all I gotta do is trench in, tap in, tie the 2 sprinklers in, done deal. I know I went over this real quick, but if you want more details, I got a video right here you can take a look at. It explains in detail how to make those connections and why. Took a good couple days for this to dry out, but I'm ready to rock. We're gonna topsoil top of this real quick, just give it a quick dusting. We're gonna seed it, straw it, water it, and hopefully we'll have grass in about 7 days. There we go. Not everything can be done by a tractor. Good work out there. Got about 1 inch to 2 inches worth of topsoil on there. Perfect for seed. So let's go get that and get this thing down. Okay, in Indiana, I like growing this tall fescue. It seems like it works better than the Kentucky bluegrass. So I picked up a bag at the Tractor Supply. Nothing special. It grows good out here and always stays green even in the driest conditions. So when it comes to the seed, I'm just gonna flop it down. Honestly, I don't think you can put too much down. It's just expensive. So I'm gonna put it on setting 3 and go from there. I also grabbed a bag of starter fertilizer from Menards only because Tractor Supply had a 50-pound bag. I didn't need that much. So back in my younger days, I never knew why I couldn't get grass to grow because starter fertilizer is the key, at least in Indiana. Obviously, I got some easy straw. That stuff's easy to put down. Hope I got enough. I may have to go pick up a couple others. It's expensive though, so that kind of sucks. But it sticks and it stays on the ground. The nice thing about this is you don't have to worry about making a mess in your car or truck. Hey, another project knocked out, and it sets me up for the project that I really want to do, which is the retaining wall and the landscaping around my parking lot area to give me better curb appeal. I'll bring along the same laser for that project and show you the capabilities, what it can do over there like it did here. So what this cost me? Pros probably would have charged me $1,500 for this project. I had $25 in gas, $15 in seed, $30 in straw, $15 in fertilizer, $50 in irrigation. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the retaining wall. Take care.